All right, you are very much welcome to class today. So now what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to mock up the logo, and I'll just go to my background. I'll pick a background from gallery, and this is there was a time I was looking for this particular image. I couldn't really find it easily. Okay, it's actually for mockups. Okay, for mockups. So I'm going to create this. I'm going to put this. Let's reduce it a bit and then hit enter. At least it has a line that will guide us on what to do. Okay, now I'm going to bring in from gallery and bring in that logo we created. So just bring in this logo we created, and I'm going to reduce it from here and hit enter. All right, you can see how it is. So what we're going to do now, we are going to do some, you can change the color. If maybe you want to have a white variant of it, you can change the color to white. All right, so let's change the color to white so that it contrasts well with the background. Okay, so for example, if you want to have a white, that's if you want to have a white this thing variant of it. Most logos have white variants as well. So now what we are going to do is actually to use perspective to match this with the wall. All right, so use perspective to match this with the wall, and then you have to do that until you know it's lying on the wall already. Okay, so let's enable perspective, and then let's begin to try. You can see, all right, so it's looking as if it's lying on the wall already. So you need to just observe how it is going after you have enabled the perspective, and I think this is okay. All right, so you can see how it's lying on the wall already. So I'm going to come to 3D, shape, enable 3D shape. Now depth, nope, I have to just increase the depth just a little bit. Now we are bringing color of this, we are taking it black. All right, so let's darken it. I think this particular one, all these ones, okay, I think this is looking more realistic, and then we don't need, okay, I don't think we need this, so I'll have 0 for this. So let's take it, the lighting, it has to come, it's coming from this other angle, so we have to make sure that is set well. All right, so let's see. All right, so all right, you can see what we have. You can check out the settings I've made here. All right, so so you can make the same thing. Just make sure it's looking as though it's lying side by one of the things you can use this line. All right, so I'm going to add, after all these settings, I'm going to add shadow to it. All right, so let's check emboss, and this is one of the beauty about this Pixellab. All right, so the emboss doesn't really have big problem like the other ones do. Okay, and you see what's happening to this is looking, this is like a mock-up currently. All right, so it's looking like a mock-up now. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. You can see looking like a mock-up now. So I'm going to add shadow. Let's add the shadow and see. Now for the shadow blurriness, the offset, you have to increase it a little bit. All right, because the light is coming from that side, so it has to come like this. So let's reduce it a little bit. Can you see what we have here? All right, so can you see what we have here? This is fast, almost better than most PSD stuff. All right, so there's just one other thing I would have wanted to do, but you can see what we have right here, looking so awesome. I'm going to save this as image, and you can change the dimension to ultra, like I always advise you to. All right, except if you are making for a specific kind of size. You can see what we really do have here. Okay, so next video, I think I'll need to guide you on how to do this with Photo P. But you can do this. I think this is good to go already. So let's see in the next class, please.